What is going on, YouTube? This is Gen F150 Truck Life Productions, and I'm back. I'm gonna go ahead and do a real quick look at the 10th gen. Wheels just look real good on it. You can tell. Got a dual exhaust. Go around to the other side. Oh yeah. 20 by 10 Fuel Maverick 33 1250 tire. Kanati Mud Hogs. It's leveled in the front. Got all brand new suspension as far as yes, I understand the rust is still there because I haven't taken care of it yet, but you see new CV axles, new tie rods. I got a new shock end link or sway bar end links, and then under here the pitman arm, and then you see these rough country shocks. Oh yeah, new ball joints. Oh, everything up here is tied in nicely. On the back here, like I said, with the new exhaust, new rough country shocks. Kind of brings it back in together. And also, something else I've added is 20% window tint. So, see, gives it a nice darkness to it. Just a little quick update on the 10th gen. And I'll be posting some more videos about it here soon. Some of the things that I'm still working on doing, and some of the things that I have done I'll get a little more in depth about. But like I said, this is the current view of it. And remember to like, comment, subscribe. See you soon.